You have reached the Quantinoid channel. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hello, data diggers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Digital Native AI, the channel where we decode the tech world. I'm your host, Noel, and today we're diving into the deep, murky, and surprisingly hilarious waters of big data. So, grab your data shovels and let's get started. What is big data? Is it data that's been lifting weights? On a high-protein diet? No, my friends. It is just data. Big data is so enormous, so colossal, that your standard database tools just look at it and say, nope, not today. We're talking about zettabytes of data here, folks. That's a 1 with 21 zeros following it. Yeah, not your typical Sunday stroll in the data park. But what does big data contain? It's like the universe's biggest, messiest room. It's full of everything from your grandma's favorite apple pie recipe to detailed analysis of global climate change. Emails, tweets, medical records, GPS coordinates, cat videos. You name it, big data's got it. But why do we need big data? Well, it's like asking, why do we need air? Or pizza? Or reruns of Friends? It's because big data helps us make sense of the world. It helps businesses make better decisions, scientists unravel mysteries, and advertisers know that you've been eyeing that new smartphone. Yes, big data is the reason you're seeing that ad everywhere. And who uses big data? It's easier to ask who doesn't. Scientists, governments, businesses, healthcare providers, even sports teams. Ever wonder how your favorite team seems to always snatch victory from the jaws of defeat? Yep, big data analysis. They're not just kicking balls, folks, they're crunching numbers. But, is big data important? Well, is it important that you remember your anniversary? Or the password to your Netflix account? Let's just say, in the world of 21st century, big data is the VIP. It's like the secret sauce, the magic potion, the golden ticket. It's the only thing is that quantifiable, that is tangible and has a certainty to it. In short, it's a big deal. The biggest of this millennium. It's epic. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some misconceptions about big data and we need to be very clear about them. Some folks think it's like a magic 8-ball, an instant answer machine. It's definitely not something that you get when you click a button. Sorry to burst your bubble, but big data isn't a genie granting wishes. It's a tool that needs skilled professionals to wield it. And speaking of professionals, from data scientists to business analysts, from marketers to healthcare professionals, there are a myriad of professions that could and do use big data. It's like the multi-tool of the job world. Swiss Army knife, anyone? Okay, folks, it's not all fun and games. There are risks associated with big data. Imagine the chaos if your most embarrassing photos were accidentally shared with the world. That's right, with big data, privacy and security become as important as that lock on your bathroom door. Big data also raises ethical questions. I mean, who wouldn't want to know the exact time and location of every single donut shop in the world? But at what cost? We need to ensure that in our quest for information, we're not trampling on people's rights. But hey, let's not get too dark here. Big data is like a puppy. It can be a bit messy and chew up your favorite shoes, but it also brings so much joy and insight. Now, when can big data become a problem? Well, when it becomes too big. It's like having too much of a good thing. Too much ice cream? Brain freeze. Too much exercise? Exhaustion. Too much data without the right tools or skills to handle it? Overwhelm and confusion. And that's where our friends, the data scientists, come in. Armed with their trusty algorithms, they're like the superheroes of the data world. helping us make sense of this ocean of information. In conclusion, my friends, big data is not just big, it's huge. It's a giant, messy, exciting treasure chest of information, waiting for us to dive in and discover its secrets. So next time you tweet, shop online, or even take a selfie, remember, you're adding to the glorious, never-ending story of big data. So, that's all for now, folks. We've ridden the roller coaster of big data, seen the highs, the lows, and everything in between. Remember, in the world of big data, you're not just a drop in the ocean, you're part of the wave. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep laughing. This is Noel from Digital Native AI, signing off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the data flip side.